Hello everyone, this is Alex from Albo Studio, and today we are going to unbox this Samsung Galaxy A20 smartphone. Let's take our unboxing knife and go into unboxing. So let's start unboxing. And now let's open our box. Okay, so first thing you will see is a Samsung documentation, as far as I can tell. Yes, it's Samsung documentation. Let's check it out. Okay, so this is a guide, warranty card, and regional logbook. Okay. So there is some paperwork. Okay, now we can see our phone. Let's take it. Okay, so from the front of this phone we can see that it features an Infinity V display, dual camera and fast charging. Let's unwrap it. Okay. The phone is really light. The build quality, of course, it's plastic, but it feels nice. It doesn't feel bad. Let's turn on display. Okay. It has a flashlight, a fingerprint scanner, and dual camera lens on the back, which is good. Okay, let's see what we've got in the box. Okay, so we are getting a Samsung fast charger, which we are not getting with the A10. This is slightly better. Oh, we have here a Samsung headphones. And it's, yes, it's a USB-C charger. So this phone features USB-C, which is good. Okay, let's take it away and see the phone itself. I suppose the display quality will be perfect. The original phone is in Romanian, which is normal since I got it from Romania. Let's change it to English, since my Romanian is not that good. Oh my god. English, guys! English, okay. Here is the English. US. Okay, let's go. So you can see that we have connected to the internet. Let's continue. The phone is comfortable to hold in your hand, not too big. The display is really nice, colorful. It has a good brightness. I really like those Samsung Infinity V displays. They look nice. Okay, we are going to skip Google for now. Skip it. Accept. Not now. Let's try fingerprint reader. Will it work fast here? Pin code. So let's try a basic pin code. Okay, let's try to do it. Let's edit another. Okay. Next. Try it out. Okay, so it works. Skip for now. Skip. Finish. Okay, let's try our fingerprint reader. It's we have a Samsung Android skin, which is nice looking. So you can see that we are running One UI version 1.1, Android version 9. So we are not at peak brightness. Let's try the peak one. Okay, so this is a peak brightness that you can get. The night mode looks gorgeous. Let's try the camera. Well, honestly, I would like to say that the camera is nice, really nice camera. For this money, about 120 euros, the camera is perfect. Okay, let's try our browser speed, check some YouTube videos. And we can test out our speakers. Okay, let's find something. I like to use LTT, Linus Tech Tips. Oops. Linus Tech Tips, sorry. Okay, let's see something. So they're making Apple gaming PC.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the WAN show. I was late because I was gaming in VR. That's it. That's the only excuse I have.
The audio is
But
perfect.
I was actually making a video about gaming in VR, and it's really cool.
So you can see that we have basic Android functions over here, which I'm not going to cover. So in conclusion, for this video, this is a really nice cell phone. It features a gorgeous display, a great quality build, a great camera, which I would give for this money 10 out of 10. The camera is gorgeous. Of course, you are getting a gorgeous Samsung display, 32 gigabytes of memory, fast charging, USB Type-C, extra slot for your memory, and comparing this to A10, this phone for the price range it's in 120 euros, I would say is a great choice for this month. I will leave a link down below for Amazon shop. If you're interested in this Samsung cell phone, you can purchase it from Amazon. And as a conclusion, I would like to say that this is my second unboxing and review video. I hope it wasn't too bad. I will try to do it better and better over time. I'd like to thank you for your time and hope to see you soon in upcoming videos. Take care, bye bye.